San Choy Bao. That's what we got tonight. So we turn on the heat. Let it heat up. Sesame oil, but I mix half olive oil in it. It's not so strong. Then what else do we have? In here we have water chestnuts, cabbage, shallots, can you see orange shallots? What's that? Garlic, carrot, snow beans, snow peas. No, they're not even snow peas. They're sprouts. Dickhead. Oops. And also my little bag of vermicelli noodles. A bit of extra white rice vinegar. And we have our mince. Our mince, our meat. I'm using pork tonight because I like it. Usually I would do pork and veal, but I don't have that. So get away. If you don't have that, I technically would just put in stop it, Gemma. I would put in oh, she's biting me. Oh, stop it. I would put in 2 packs of chicken noodle soup. Oh, wanker, stop it. All right. And I will just stop for a minute. I'm just waiting for it to get hot. What are you up to, Gemma? Go out. Pain my bum bum. There you are. My shirt. Pretty cool. I always make them. So I don't mind. Gemma's just been a pain in the ass because you're not getting attention. Alright, Mum's waiting for that to heat up. I had to move it to another plate because that one wasn't getting hot enough. So we will just wait and see how quick this gets. And it's getting alright, but still. Have my eyes on. And I got a do-rag, and because it touched my hair, now I have to wash my hands again. Oh shit, motherfucker. Ow, 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 that's hot. Let's wait. Oop. I didn't touch my glasses. I didn't touch my hair. Oh no, I still should wash my hands, but fuck it. It's only Andrew eating. And me. And Gemma. Well, I'll pick out her onion. But anyway. Alright, we'll just let that heat up. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this sesame blend oil. That's what I'll call it. It's a fair bit. That's cool. Oh, I better turn that on. It's going to make it noisier, but yes, I have to. It's it. Just a minute. Stir. Yes, I know it's a lot. Good boy, isn't it? That's better. To the sides, and it goes like that. Adding a bit of the sauce. With the garlic. Water chestnuts. Cabbage. Carrots. Shallots. Throw it all in. Oops. Stir it. Don't forget to put your bean sprouts in. That's the San Choy Bao sauce. Perfect. But tiny bit more of that sesame oil. Stir it around. Turn it down. Stir it up. Buttercup. What doesn't get eaten tonight, I'm going to make into spring rolls tomorrow. Add some shiitake mushrooms. Maybe a little bit of prawn meat. Perfect. Grammy spring rolls. I'll let that sit for a bit. Tiny bit more. Come on. Just add a bit more rice. What is it? White rice vinegar. So let's put it in that. Perfect. Next, I'm going to do my noodles. Let me show you. I like my little packet. I'll stir it in. That's all cooking great. Now I'm going to add some of my homegrown chilies. That's what I picked today. I'll just freeze them because I don't use them. The last lot actually. This is the second lot I picked up. Add my homegrown chilies. These ones tomorrow I'm going to do a chili oil. That's the second batch I've picked from the chilies, but now I'm going to add my vermicelli noodles and stir it all up. Big time. I love them. That's a bit more of the sauce on the side. I used 2 packets of those little noodles. And because it's going to help tomorrow with the spring rolls I make. So I think that's it. You come back tomorrow, let that cook a bit. I reckon we need of course a little tester. Salt, pepper, and a bit more chili. I'll sort that out and I'll be back. Okay, add more chili because it just needed that tiny little bit more. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, but I'll turn that down. Where did I put that? That's what happens. Oh, there's the salt. And we will get another. Just a tiny bit. I know I have pepper here somewhere, but that's what happens. Oh, that should be it. All good. That's heaps, hey. Yum. You know what? You can put it with lettuce leaves, you can have it by itself. Technically, I have it by itself. I'm not that fussed on lettuce. Bye. Okay, so it's done. Oh, there's heaps. There you go. That's heaps. Okay. Cheryl, of course, is from the GoPro. And by the way, that's a pretty big wok. That's going to feed us tonight. I might freeze a bit and the rest I'll make into spring rolls. Come back tomorrow for the spring rolls.